अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, इट्स मी नबीला मुश्ताक अली। मेरा रोल नंबर है 2K17 बॉट 134। आज का जो मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन और डिस्कशन टॉपिक है वो है फाइटोक्रोम एंड इट्स मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन। चलिए अब हम हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं थ्रू फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस। फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस से हम इसलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि फाइटोक्रोम जो एक पिगमेंट है वो रिलेटेड किसके, फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस के। फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस में क्या होगा, फोटोसिंथेसिस होगी। फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए हमें लाइट ज़रूरी होती है और ये जो है नेसेसरी होते हैं प्लांट की ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए। जैसा कि हम इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, द लाइट मीडिएटेड ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट इन प्लांट इंडिपेंडेंट एंड फोटोसिंथेसिस आर कॉल्ड फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस। अब हम इसके टाइप के ऊपर बात करेंगे। देयर आर 4 टाइप ऑफ फोटोमॉर्फोजेनेसिस। नंबर 1 इज फाइटोक्रोम। फाइटोक्रोम में क्या होता है, रेड लाइट फोटोरिसेप्टर्स होते हैं और ये किस में रोल प्ले करते हैं, ये सीड की जर्मिनेशन में, फ्लावरिंग एंड स्टेम की इलोंगेशन में रोल प्ले करते हैं। नंबर 2 है क्रिप्टोक्रोम। क्रिप्टोक्रोम में क्या होता है, ब्लू लाइट फोटोरिसेप्टर्स होते हैं और ये किस में काम करते हैं, ये फ्लावरिंग में, सर्केडियन रिदम्स में एंड इनहिबिशन ऑफ स्टेम्स में और इलोंगेशन में ये काम करते हैं। नंबर 3 टाइप है इसका फोटोट्रॉफिन। इसमें जो है ब्लू लाइट फोटोरिसेप्टर्स होते हैं और ये रोल किस में प्ले करते हैं, क्लोरोप्लास्ट की मूवमेंट में एंड फोटोट्रोपिज्म में रोल प्ले करते हैं। नंबर 4 इसकी जो टाइप है वो है जी ट्यूलिप फैमिली है। इसमें जो है ब्लू लाइट फोटोरिसेप्टर्स होते हैं और ये क्या करते हैं, रोल प्ले करते हैं सर्केडियन रिदम्स में और ये कंट्रोल करते हैं फ्लावरिंग में। जैसा कि आपने नंबर 2, नंबर 3 और नंबर 4 जो इसकी टाइप्स के बारे में सुना, उसमें सिर्फ ब्लू लाइट जो है फोटो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं, पर जो फाइटोक्रोम है उसमें क्या होते हैं, रेड लाइट फोटो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं। चलिए अब हम हमारा टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं, फाइटोक्रोम। फाइटोक्रोम, a plant pigment that is associated with the absorption of light। प्लांट का जो पिगमेंट है वो एसोसिएट करता है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट को इन द, इसमें एसोसिएट करता है इन द फोटोपिरियोडिक रिस्पॉन्सेज में एंड दैट में रेगुलेट वेरियस टाइप्स। और ये क्या करते हैं, इसके वेरियस टाइप को क्या करते हैं, रेगुलेट करते हैं, कौन किसको, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट को। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फाइटोक्रोम। A phytochrome is a photoreceptor। Phytochrome एक photoreceptor है। A pigment that plants, some bacteria and fungi use to detect light। ये जो pigment है उसमें जो plants, कुछ bacteria और fungi जो है वो light को detect करते हैं। Phytochrome is a pigment found in some plant cell that has been proven to control plant development। Phytochrome एक pigment है, इसमें जो कुछ plant cells है वो प्रूफ करते हैं कि जो प्लांट की जो डेवलपमेंट है उसको कंट्रोल करने में। इट इज सेंसिटिव टू लाइट इन द रेड एंड फार रेड रीजन ऑफ द विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम। In other words, a blue-green pigment found in many plants in which it regulates various developmental processes. Many flowering plants use it to regulate the time of flowering based on the length of the day and night, photoperiodism, and set circadian rhythms. It also regulates other responses including the germination of seed, phytoblasting, elongation of seedlings, the size, shape, and number of leaves, etc. This pigment has a regulatory role in all phases of plant growth and development, photomorphogenesis, and is apparently ubiquitous in all taxonomic group eukaryotic plant with the exception of fungi. Now, the history and discovery of phytochrome. The phytochrome pigment was discovered by Sterling Hendrick and Harry Borthwick at the USDA ARS Beltwile Agriculture Research Center in Maryland during a period from the late 1940s to the early 1960s. The red light responses were reversible by far red light, indicate the presence of photoreversible pigment. The phytochrome pigment was indicated using a spectrophotometer in 1959 by biophysicist Vernon Butler and biochemist Harold Seligman. Butler was also responsible for the name phytochrome. Phytochrome is a blue protein pigment responsible for the perception of light in photophysiological responses. It is possibly the only photoreceptor in photoperiodism and the flowering processes. The discovery of phytochrome is closely associated with studies on flowering. However, many other light-controlled plant responses other than photosynthesis, collectively called photomorphogenesis, are the effect of phytochrome action. In 1932, Belt Research Group of the USDA, headed by Borthwick and Heydrich, showed that red light 630 to 680 nanometer elicits the germination of lettuce seed, where far red light 710 to 740 nanometer inhibit the process. It was further observed that when lettuce seed was exposed to alternating red and far red light, almost all seeds that received red light as the final treatment germinated, where the seeds receiving far red light as the final treatment did not germinate. The phytochrome involvement in the flowering process was envisaged when in 1952 Borthwick, Hendrick and Parker demonstrated that red light inhibition of flowering in xanthan could be reversed by a subsequent far red light treatment. Now, the distribution of phytochrome. Presence of phytochrome has been known as angiosperms, gymnosperms, liverworts, mosses, fern, and samalja. Distribution of phytochrome in grass, shoot and variable, but oat, rye, and barley seedlings all have high concentration in apical region of the colipetyle near the shoot apex in the growing leaf bases. Phytochrome is present in organ most organ of all plants investigating, including root. In green lower plant, phytochrome is permanently localized in conformation and or near the plasma membrane. Now, characteristics of phytochrome. The action spectrum of the light needed for the responses show a peak in the red at about 660 nanometer. These responses can be reversed by an application of far red light soon after the red treatment. Sensitive spectrometer can measure a decrease in absorbance at 730 nanometer when sensitive plant tissue are exposed to red light. The changes in absorbance is caused by a conversion of photoreceptor from one structural form to another. The red absorbing form changes to the far red absorbing form when it absorbs red light and back again when it absorbs far red light. Phytochrome has two different chemical structures that are interconvertible. The forms are named by the color of light that are absorbed maximally. Number 1 is the PR form, number 2 is the PFR form. Forms of phytochrome. Number 1 is the PR form. PR form absorbed a peak of 660 nanometer. It is from synthesized in dark brown seedling, where PR form red light it converted to the PFR form. Number 2 is the PFR form. Absorb the peak 730 nanometer. The PFR is the active form that including biological responses. When PFR is absorbed far red light, it converted to the PR form. Degradation of PFR is known to occur by a highly processes in which PFR is first attached to small protein called ubiquitin. Attachment of ubiquitin to PFR or to the other protein target them are degradation and carry out degradations ATP and their three enzymes are required. Number 1 is protease, number 2 is hydrolyze, number 3 is release. In protease, it recognizes the protein. In hydrolyze, targeting the protein. नंबर 3 इज रियलाइज. इसमें क्या होता है फ्री यूबिक्विटिन. इसमें जो है यूबिक्विटिन को जो प्रोटीन है वो फ्री हो जाता है. Figure you can see that their PR form and PFR form both are interconvertible forms. इसमें जो PR form और PFR form है वो दूसरे को डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज देंगी इसमें जो पीआर फॉर्म जो इसमें रेड लाइट है वो 670 नैनोमीटर पीएफआर की तरफ रिस्पॉन्स करेगी, और जो पीएफआर है फार रेड लाइट वो क्या करेगा 730 नैनोमीटर पर पीआर की तरफ रिस्पॉन्स करेगा, पर ये जो है रिस्पॉन्स कर नहीं सकेगा, उसे हम इनहिबिशन कहेंगे। Now the chemical nature of phytochrome. Chemically, phytochrome is a homodimer of two identical polypeptides, each with a molecular weight of 120 kDa. Each polypeptide has a prothalic group cell chromophore that is attached via sulfur atom in a cysteine residue of the polypeptide. This chromophore is an open-chain tetrapyrrole similar to the photosynthetic phycobilin pigment of red algae and cyanobacteria. The chromophore, not the protein that absorbs the light and cause phytochrome responses. When PR is converted to the PFR by red light, there is apparently a cis-stress isomerization in the chromophore. Alternation of chromophore in the phytochrome that cause several unidentified subtitle change in the structure of phytochrome portion. इस जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, इसमें जो है दो आइडेंटिकल सब यूनिट्स है। सही है, इसमें जो है ये इसका क्रोमोफोर है, ये इसका फोटो रिसेप्टर एक्टिविटी है, और इसमें जो है काइनेज एंजाइम की एक्टिविटी होती है। Now, mode of action of phytochrome. Hartmann, the German physiologist, has proposed a scheme of phytochrome action. इसमें जो है पीएआर एंड पीएफआर ये जो क्या करते हैं, दोनों बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी करते हैं। According to Borthwick and Hendrick, PR and PFR follow several alternative reaction paths since only that could explain the apparently contradictory observation made from time to time. Number 3. H. Smith 1970 assumed the phytochrome to be present in the membrane. इनर कंपार्टमेंट में जो है प्रिकॉशर एक्स प्रेजेंट होता है, मेम्ब्रेन में जो है पी आर प्लस एक्स होता है और पी एफ आर एक्स होता है। ये दोनों ये एक्स जो है पी आर और एफ आर दोनों के साथ जो है रिएक्ट करता है, और उसके बाद जो आउटर साइड जो है कंपार्टमेंट में क्या होता है, उसमें बायोलॉजिकल एक्शन होते हैं। Number 4 में Jaffer hypothesis is also entirely speculative. He assumed that phytochrome perhaps cause change in permeability of the membrane and act through acetylcholine. Number 5 is Evans 1975 says that PFR to PFRX control the flow of reaction substances into several linked and compacting synthetic pathways. Now, mechanism of phytochrome action. Phytochrome is believed to act in following ways. Number 1 is according to Claxton and co-workers, hydroxylation of flavonoid compound is affected by phytochrome. Moher, however, suggests that radiation influences some basic metabolic changes in the cell responsible for many different effects and influences on flavonoid hydroxylation pattern presumably represent only one such changes. The co-workers of K.V. Thiamine and co-workers suggest that phytochrome action involves the synthesis of nucleic acid and enzyme which may be responsible for the physiological changes. Mohr and others have found evidence to suggest the phytochrome effects are mediated by the activation of genes that code for scientific messenger RNA molecule which in their turn code for synthetic enzymes. There are certain responses due to red or far red light which are too fast to be explained by the gene activation or repulsion or repression hypothesis. Now, phytochrome mediated physiological responses. Phytochrome has been found to control a number of physiological responses of plant. Phytochrome क्या करता है, फिजियोलॉजिकल रिस्पॉन्सेज को कंट्रोल करता है प्लांट्स में। इसकी एग्जांपल में हमें स्पॉट जर्मिनेशन भी ले सकते हैं, क्लोरोप्लास्ट की मूवमेंट भी होती है, एलोंगेशन भी होती है, बड डोरमेंसी भी होती है, और इसमें जो है रूट डेवलपमेंट भी होती है। Numerous plant responses are mediated by phytochrome, hence for convenience of study that have been divided into positive, negative and complex responses or as development and rapid responses. Number 1 is negative response, characterized by initiation or increasing of biosynthetic or growth responses. Example, phytochrome mediated anthocyanin synthesis. Number 2 is positive response, those involving inhibition of growth processes or other physiological processes like trans translocation of substances. Example, inhibition of hypocortical elongation by light. Number 3 is complex response, those whose are characterized initially and inhibition and later promotion of their responses as compared to corresponding dark control. Example, light controlled regulation of oxygen uptake by cotyledons. Number 4 is developmental and rapid responses. Now, first, we have to discuss developmental responses, those responses which are mediated by phytochrome but also involve other physiological processes like growth, differentiation, certain periodic phenomena, and longer time for production of their responses. Example, photoperiodism and germination. Number 2 is rapid response, those which are detectable with a very short period after germination, irradiation and do not apparently interact with complex physiological processes. इसकी एग्जाम्पल में हमें हम ले सकते हैं क्लोजिंग, ऑग मिमोसा एंड लीफलेट्स. Now the role of phytochrome. Many flowering plants using it to regulate the time of flowering based on the length of the day and night, photoperiodism, and to set circadian rhythms. It also regulates other responses including the germination of seeds, photoblastic elongation of seedlings, the size, shape, and number of leaves, the synthesis of chlorophyll, and the straightening of the epicotyle of hypocotyle hooked to dicot seedling. It is found in the leaves of most plants. Now, structure of phytochrome. Phytochrome consists of a protein covalently linked to a light-sensing building chromophore. The protein part comprises two identical chains A and B. Together, these subunits form the phytochrome region, which regulate physiological changes in plants to change in red and far red light conditions. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation and discussion topic. If you have any question, you must ask with me.